Welcome to Vignan University Bridge course on mathematics. The very purpose of Bridge course is to help you to overcome the confusion and give the clarity about the decision you have taken to join a particular course. Also, to realize that the subjects you have studied in intermediate is how far useful to you in this professional course. After this course, I am sure you will be able to answer the following questions. What I learned in intermediate and how far I can use it. And a bridge is a structure built to overcome a physical obstacle and provide a smooth path. In a similar way, bridge course provide you a smooth transition from known to unknown. Every unknown things can be discovered by the help of known. And if nothing is known, everything is unknown. Remember it. I am Dr. Sudam here to help you to discover the unknown from known. How? See an example. If cost of 1 pen is 10 rupees, then cost of 5 pen is how much? 50. Simple. What you have done? Multiplied. 1 pen 10 rupees, 5 pen 50 rupees. It's simple. It's very easy. How? When you are in intermediate, you feel it's so easy. But when you were in class 2, you used to ask your father, you ask whether I should multiply, whether I should add, or whether I should divide. You want that particular part. It means you want to know whether you should add or multiply or divide or subtract. You don't want to understand the concept behind it, why we are multiplying 10 into 5. But now you are perfect in this part. By seeing the question itself, you should able to find out whether you would to multiply or you are going to add it. Is it clear? So known, if anything is known to you, you feel it's simple. And if you don't know anything, if everything is unknown to you, you feel it's difficult. That's all. So if you know something, everything is simple. Let us see. The circle what I kept here, and there is a dot inside. What do you feel about it? I have written, see, the boundary of the circle I have written as the context of the problem. The inside the circle is the plain area. I represented it as known data about the problem. And the point or the center of the circle I have given as a solution. Why? What is the meaning of it? You just see. It means the solution lies always inside the problem. You should find the solution based on the given data of the problem. Solution never comes outside the context of the problem. For example, you are going to play football in a playground. You lost your bike key. What do? You don't search at your home. You should search your key in the playground itself. Then only there is a chance of getting your key back. The similar way, inside the problem itself, you have to find the solution. Based on the data given to you, provided to you in the problem itself, you have to use it and get the solution of it. See, I will give you a very nice example. You see, 1 dog has 5 legs. 10 dogs have how many legs? What do you say? Very simple. 1 dog has 5 legs, 10 dog has 50 legs. Simple multiplication. But some students, some people, how they feel? 1 dog doesn't have 5 legs. 1 dog naturally have 4 legs only. So why should it 5 legs? No. Answer is 40. So the question is wrong. So 10 into 4 is 40 the answer. And some other people, they feel in a different way. Naturally 1 dog has 4 legs. But by chance 1 dog got 5 legs. So what will be the answer? Out of 10 dogs, 9 dogs have 4 legs and 1 dog only has 5 legs. So 9 into 4, 36 plus 5 is nothing but the 41. So you got three different answer with three different approach. So which one is the correct approach? The last one, 41, is the answer, because the question is given like this: one dog has 5 legs, comma, then 10 dog have how many legs? Is it clear? So because of this, we need to read the question properly and you need to answer it. Is it clear? So that is what the question itself gives you the answer. We should not modify the question. We should not judge ourselves. So that is why I told you before, right? We use mathematics everywhere, but you do not feel it. You know, math is called queen of science. Why is it so beautiful? Why is it so beautiful? See here. From ape, we became a human being. Ape is the ugly creature. It slowly transformed into a handsome, into a beautiful human. But when we feel ape, will you give respect? Never. So this is nothing but the changes happening every 100 years, every 1,000 years, every 500 years, and making you, and you became beautiful and handsome guy. So this is what the application of mathematics. How? Here the rate of change is happening every 100 years, every 1,000 years, every 500 years, and you become beautiful or handsome. This is what the application of maths. This is what the application of maths. This is nothing but the differentiation. So differentiation is nothing but rate of change of a particular function with respect to one or other variable. So this is what an application of mathematics. This is what an application of differentiation. So differentiation, integration, all these things are everywhere. See, a bunch of apple, a basket of apples. What happens? This is so fresh. You keep at your home for 5 days, you don't eat anything. 10 days, 30 days, what happens? It starts decays. It starts spoiling. This is nothing but the differentiation, application of the differentiation. Right? It decay one by one. Right? The growth and the decay, this is also one part of the application of differentiation. The LIC, estimation of rate of growth, based on the today data, they integrate the whole data up to 30 years or 50 years, and they will say this much of growth you will get once you pay the premium of 16,000, 50,000, 20,000. How they get it? This is also an application of mathematics. So each and every place in our daily life, each and every time in our daily life, you use the mathematics. We use the things what you learned. So derivative is a rate of change of function with respect to a variable. And mathematics is omnipresent. Love it, you will know the fact. You can find the unknown from the known. Most of the things we are seeing around us can be expressed as a function. For example, air doesn't move due to any force, but the atmospheric pressure difference causes it to flow from one place to another place. Air moves from a place of high atmospheric pressure to a place having low atmospheric pressure. Derivative in chemistry is a compound that is derived from a similar compound by a chemical reaction. Let's say an example. You make 10 rupees every day. Now, how much did I make in 10 days? 10 into 10 is 100, obviously. 1 day, 10 rupees you earn. 10 days, 10 into 10, 100 rupees. Since you made Rs 10, rupees 10 every day, if day changes, the money you make change. See, we use integration here to do it. Integration over 10 into dx, 10 is fixed, 10 is fixed. That is, every day you get the 10 rupees. Right? Dx Let us take x, you take as a d. And x varies from 0 to 10. X varies from 0 to 10. So I have written 0 to 10, 10 into dx. 10 is a constant, take outside. Integration of dx is nothing but x. So 10x. X varies from 0 to 10, upper limit minus lower limit. So 10 into 10 minus 10 into 0 is nothing but 100. See, it's very simple. For a simple problem, even we can implement the integration and we can get the answer. Sure, it is everywhere, but we need to find the proper way. We need to think of, we need to know the concept behind it. Then only we can able to feel, we can love that particular subject. See, integration as differentiation in reverse. Derivative of x cube by dx is 3x square. You know every one of it. And if you go reverse way, integration of 3x square dx is equals to x cube plus c. Yeah. Integration of 3x square into dx equal to x cube plus c. Why this c? What is the need of it? See, differentiation and integration, they are just opposite of it. That's what I wanted to show you. Clear? Now see, the situation is just a little more complicated. Why? Because see now, all the functions have the same derivative, because when you differentiate the constant term, we obtain 0. Consequently, when you reverse the process, we have no idea what the original constant term might have been. So, we include in our answer an unknown constant c, because c is unknown. C may be 100, c may be 10, c may be 500, but the properties of c, it is a constant, and derivative of a constant is always 0. So that is why the c we add it and call it as constant of integration. Constant of integration. The symbol for integration is known as integral sign. And if you represent in this way, integration of dx into dx equal to x square plus c. So this term we call it as integrand. This is nothing but your integrand. And this c is nothing but your integral constant. Now I have a question. Explain why, when finding an indefinite integral, a constant of integration is always needed. I told you the answer. Constant of integration is always needed in a definite integral. Yeah. So that is what we learn today. So learn mathematics with love. Obviously you will feel comfortable. Obviously you feel delighted. Obviously you will able to find unknown from the known facts. Thank you. Thank you for your presence. Bye-bye.